Hello everyone, I'm gonna show my talents. Why? Because I'm in very in mood! Ah, yeah! Oh yeah. Here's where I'm gonna start out. I'm a very good voice actor. In many ways. I mean, you might agree or disagree. But I'm also a very good ventriloquist, which I actually found out by my coworkers like a couple weeks ago. And how do I know that? Because I can howl without my lips move. And if you don't believe me, right, I'm gonna do it right now. I did not move my lips, not even a muscle. Now, I'm very good at sound effects. I can do quite a few numbers of sound effects. And I'm gonna try and do that without moving my lips. Now, here I go. Now, I want to meet you my puppet.
Hi, Mr. Handy. How are you?
Very good, Mr. Handy. How about you?
Just fine. I know I am talking like a Mr. Handy, and I am a very crafty puppet. But, anyway, here are some sound effects I can do.
Hey! How you doing? I had a very good time. Very good time. You're not gonna listen to me right there. And I do not care.
Oh, Yoga here. How you doing, ain't no kill? Do I sound like a weird pedophile? Oh, yeah!
What? What? Cut me, bro! Cut me! Cut me! Cut at me! Cut at me! Hello, I am Lulu John Drake. Hey, I analyze you.
Hello, hey, anything else? I chose this, so I had to change it up a little bit. Okay.
Goals. Ho 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 ho. Those are sound effects that come at the top of my head right now, so these are the ones I'll make another video of it. Alright? That's like expressing my talents. You might find them funny, entertaining, whatever kills your time. That's all the good comes out of it.